But I got sick of my own BS and decided to figure this out once and for all. Now here's a crazy thing. I am about to hand you the exact step-by-step method I use to grow and make serious money online in 2025. And unlike those other clowns that are charging $500 to $1,000, even more, for this kind of information, I am going to give it to you absolutely free. No fluff, no BS about a TikTok shop, no overpriced ebooks or courses that leaves you more confused than when you purchased it or you got started. Just a real deal handed over to you on a platter. Here is all you got to do. Drop the word freedom in the comment below, and I will personally reach out to you to connect with you. We will have a real conversation about how you can get started. But here is the thing, I can only handle so many people at once, so don't hang around or wait around on this. Let's get together.